Have you ever looked at the massive skyscrapers of the world's biggest banks and wondered how they stay so imposing and bright? The secret isn't just in the vaults. It's in your pocket. Every single day, $1 billion river flows right into these towers. It starts with something as simple as a morning coffee. You swiped your credit card, and a complex financial machine springs to life. That swipe is the beginning of a digital journey, turning your transaction into a stream of capital that never stops moving. To understand how banks get rich, we need to look at the four-party system: the cardholder, merchant, and the coordinating banks. When you pay, the merchant doesn't actually receive the full amount. A small percentage, known as the interchange fee, is sliced off immediately. These fees usually range from 1 to 3%. It seems small, but when you consider billions of transactions, it becomes a fortune. Even if you're a responsible user who pays your bill in full every month, the bank is still profiting from every merchant you visit. But the real heavy lifting for bank profits comes from the interest. Currently, credit card debt has ballooned to over $1 trillion. Banks categorize users into transactors and revolvers. Transactors pay in full, while revolvers carry a balance, generating high-interest revenue. This leads us to the subprime strategy. Banks often target riskier borrowers because the interest they pay far outweighs the risk of default. They call this the net credit margin. It's the sweet spot where high interest rates turn debt into a sustainable, growing asset for the bank. Beyond interest and swipe fees, there is a third pillar of revenue: the hidden world of service and penalty fees. Annual fees on luxury cards can be hundreds of dollars. While they offer rewards, the bank ensures the house always stays ahead. Late fees and balance transfer fees act as the finishing touches on this revenue structure, ensuring that any slip-up by the consumer is profitable. The house always wins because the system is designed to capture value at every single point of the transaction cycle. So, the next time you swipe, remember that your card is a tool. Use it wisely, or you might find yourself fueling the river. Thanks for watching. If you found this insight valuable, subscribe for more breakdowns on how the global economy really works.